Hello everyone and welcome to today's video, and today what we have for you here is the gaming test for the brand new Redmi Note 10s. I would say it's not really that new, but here we go. Starting off with Genshin Impact, we are going to first go with the recommended settings of medium graphics at 60 FPS to see how things go and have a watch here. From what we can tell you, at medium graphical settings is definitely not the best in terms of gaming experience, so let's tune it down to lowest graphical settings at 60 FPS to see how things go. And as you can see here, at lowest graphical settings, the game is definitely very playable and it's very smooth throughout. So now let's move on to PUBG Mobile. And as you can see here, the game doesn't really allow you to go extreme frame rates on any other graphical settings except for smooth. So we'll settle for smooth graphics, extreme frame rates, because for shooter games, higher frame rate is obviously gonna be better. So let's move on with the gameplay. And then for COD Mobile, again we're gonna go with the highest possible frame rate, and then we're going to use high graphical settings with every single other graphical effect enabled, because that's the most that we can go while maintaining max frame rate. So here's the gameplay. And honestly speaking, the Redmi Note 10s is actually quite a powerful mid-range gaming smartphone, because it can handle pretty much every single game here that we play, and it can handle it pretty well for its price. So yeah, that's it. That's all we have to share with you about the gaming performance of the Redmi Note 10s, and we'll see you guys in the next video.